If you've recently bought something on Whop and want to share your experience, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to leave a review on Whop in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to leave a 5-star rating, share helpful feedback, or let other buyers know what to expect, the process is quick once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure you're logged into the exact Whop account that purchased the product. This part matters because Whop only allows verified buyers to leave reviews for products they actually bought. So go to whop.com and sign in with the correct account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the public product listing for the item you purchased. You can usually find it by going directly to the product page or opening the listing from your purchase history. Now that you're on the product page, scroll down until you reach the review section. This is where Whop shows existing customer feedback, star ratings, and review details from other verified buyers. Look for the button that says Write a Review. If you don't see it, double-check that you're signed into the same account that bought the product, because that option only appears for eligible buyers. Once you click Write a Review, the review portal will open and give you the fields you need to submit your feedback. Start by choosing your star rating from 1 to 5 stars, depending on your experience. Be honest here, because your rating helps other buyers understand what to expect and also gives the creator useful feedback about their product. After selecting your rating, move into the feedback box and write your review. Try to keep it clear and helpful. You can mention what you liked, what worked well, and whether the product matched the description. If there were any issues, you can mention those too in a respectful and constructive way. The best reviews are specific because they help both the creator and future customers. When your review is ready, click the Submit button. That will send your rating and written feedback to Whop. In some cases, your verified review may not appear instantly on the public page, especially if the creator has moderation settings turned on. So if you don't see it right away, don't worry, it may just take a moment to show up. And one more useful tip, if you ever want to change your review later, you can come back to the same product page and edit your submission. So if your experience changes over time, or you want to update your wording, Whop makes that easy. And that's it. You've now learned how to leave a review on Whop. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference for other buyers and for the creator behind the product. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.